Hackers are after you. They want your personal information. They want your money. They want just about anything that they can get their hands on. So what if they've already broken in? Yet you don't even know they're there? Scared? Don't worry. Here are 7 signs that your computer has been hacked. Number 1, frequent random pop-ups. If you start seeing more annoying pop-ups while browsing websites that generally don't show them, and they redirect to other sites, this is a bad sign and you've been hacked. Number 2, antivirus shutting down. Some hackers disable your antivirus and make it difficult to re-enable them. If you notice that your antivirus has suddenly disabled and stopped working, it is very likely that your system has been hacked. Number 3, fake protection alerts. A fake warning message by your antivirus software or any other protection software, for that matter, is one of the most certain signs that tell you've hacked. Number 4, unexpectedly invalid passwords. If you attempt to log into your online accounts, and you are sure that you entered the correct login details, and you're not allowed access to your account, it's quite clear that your account has been compromised. Note, it could also be that the site is dealing with temporary technical problems that disabled the login form. Number 5, unwanted software show up you didn't install. It's a clear sign that you've been hacked if software automatically installs itself without your consent. This doesn't always mean that the third-party software is malicious, but it's never a good sign. The additional software could be weak and outdated, so it could be easily abused by hackers to take control of your system. Number 6, randomly moving mouse pointer. A moving mouse pointer is a sign that you've been hacked, though it could instead be that you're suffering from technical issues. If the mouse cursor is randomly flying all over your screen, without a clear path of direction, it's most likely caused by a glitch. In the case that the mouse cursor is making clear movements, and systematically opening personal folders, or other programs, you can be sure that someone else has full control of your computer. Number 7, browser toolbars installed without your knowledge. If your browser is suddenly showing toolbars you don't recognize and clearly didn't install, it's almost sure that your computer has been compromised. Unwanted toolbars can be extremely annoying. They can mess with your browser settings and change your home page to a malicious website. Things you should do immediately: unplug your computer from the internet. Reset all passwords and set up multi-factor authentication. Make sure to use a different computer, or a mobile phone. Install a reliable antivirus software. And run full system scan. If you couldn't handle it, please contact a specialist. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked the video. Suggestions and comments are welcome. Leave a like and share to anyone who might be interested.